What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to adjust the maintenance service interval, time and distance on a 2026 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. So there's a lot of information out there on how to simply reset the maintenance service interval, but there's not a lot of information on how to adjust the time and the date. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at that. And after we set the time and the date, it's going to require us to do a reset. So we'll also see that. So with the vehicle off, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to be using these buttons on the left-hand side of the dash. So the first thing I'm going to do is press the menu button. And then I'm going to use either the down or the up arrow to scroll through until we get to our service interval. It's this one that has this little icon of a wrench right here. Now, to go through this procedure, you need to do everything pretty quickly. And if you don't do it quick enough, it won't work. So that's just one tip I can give you going in. So I'm going to press and hold down the menu button till that starts blinking. Release, press and hold that down till it beeps. Release, press and hold down till it beeps. Release, press and hold down till it beeps. On the fourth time, I'm going to release and then press that button 3 times quickly. After you press this button 3 times quickly, you can see this starts to blink. Now we can use the arrows to arrow through and choose what maintenance interval, time and distance we want. You can either set it by your country, or there's you can turn it off, set it normal, severe. There's a ton of different settings. So once you have whatever setting you want, you'll see it blinking. I'm going to press and hold down the menu button until that blinks solid, like that. Now, once we have it set, you can see there's not actually a time and the distance up. So once you have that initial setting, then we need to go through the reset. And this would be the same procedure if you just wanted to reset and not adjust. But in order to reset, I'm going to press and hold down the menu button till that wrench blinks. Then I'm going to release and just press the menu button 1 time. It says clear, and then it goes to this setting. What I actually found through doing a little experimenting before the video is each of those original settings, all the different ones I showed you, whether it's a country or a setting, they have 2 different intervals you can clear to. So you saw me do the reset and it went to this. Now there'll be one more reset. So if I press and hold that down, release, press again, it says clear, and then it will go to this interval. So I know it's kind of a lot of information there. If you're unable to get it, my best tip would be to just try to go a little bit quicker. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.